Relocate to Finland in less than a month with your family.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Click on the description section and to bring you to this website, Work in Finland, where you can find open jobs and where you can apply to relocate to Finland. You can see what type of residence permit do I need. You can click on this to find and use the application finder to find out what kind of permits you need for Finland, and then how to apply for residence permit. This is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a residence permit as an employed person. So for you to be able to relocate, the first thing is that you must be employed. That is, you must have a job. And for you to get jobs, you can click on open jobs here at the upper part here, where you can find a job. When you find a job and you are given you apply for the job and you are given the job offer, then you can use the job offer to apply for the permit. So check if you need a residence permit. How to apply for a first residence permit for an employed person. This guide is for you if you are applying for a first residence permit for employed persons from outside Finland using the online service Enter Finland. The guide contains instructions on how to apply for the residence permit and lets you make a checklist that is adjusted to your particular situation. So you can read about this guide here. The first step will be that for you to check if you need a residence permit, you can click here. When you click here, it will make you check if you need a residence permit. Are you a citizen of an EU country or this? If your answer is yes or no, just fill these ones and then submit. Then it will show you if you need a residence permit. Then the second step will be for you to get ready for applying for a permit. Read the requirements for a residence permit. When you click here, you will be able to read the requirements for applying for a permit. Then you apply for a permit online, fill in, pay for and submit your application in the Enter Finland online service. Then you prove your identity. This is where you book an appointment to visit a Finnish mission or a VFS Global Application Center in your country of residence to prove your identity. The fifth step will be for you to follow the processing of your application. You can follow the processing of your application online in Enter Finland and by asking Kamu, the chatbot, about your application. The sixth step will be for you to read the decision and receive your residence permit card. You can read the decision online also. Then the seventh step will be for you to prepare for your life in Finland. So here you can read about the Finnish personal identity code, but do not forget you need a job offer for you to start your application. So when you click on the open job, it will bring different job options for you where you can filter your search. You can click here to filter your search. If you are in the academics, you click on academics and it will bring, there are 39 open jobs right now for the academics. So let's say you are looking for part-time English teacher. When you click on that one, it will bring the details of the job for you and then you can apply for the job. You can click on apply for the job here, and then when it gets to time for the interview, these are the qualifications for this job, part-time English teacher. You can read everything you need to know here, your qualification, the remuneration, information about the post, how to apply, so and every other thing, any other one you are looking for. Then you can submit your application and then apply for your permit to stay and to relocate to Finland. Click on the link in the description section and I wish you good luck.
For more information or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com.